Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV online on Google, on YouTube. If you Google Jack Laguerre, you will see my TV. I Jack Laguerre, one of the best producer. Also, I write books. This is my book, upcoming book. I talk to a lot of people, inspire people. This is the thing that say I give you a little background about me already. In book. If you click on the first video on books, where I say I'm from Haiti, in a little town from Marmelade, in a little village, say Marmelade. Where the Marmelade is where the president Preval come from, if you know the president of Haiti. I Jack Laguerre, say is one of the mindset, say I create my mindset, say to create big things that happen, to make big things. I think big, I don't think small. Haiti, I see myself, say, could we build Haiti, say to make Haiti one of the beautiful country in the world. Because I do a civil, I do architect. This thing for me is a joke. When I design Haiti, I could design Haiti on AutoCAD. I don't know if you know that program. That's a design program where I could make big things happen. That's what I'm working everywhere. So I could make money in all kind of way. And then for me to because I have a group in Haiti called Ninja. The group of Ninja. It's been founded since 1977. Now right now I'm the president of Ninja. I make this group one of the best group, say right now this group is all over the world. People Ninja, say in France, Canada, Paris, all over the places. This group is expanding. I was one of the group, say I'm in America right now, you can see, say this group is expanding. But we write books, we will do a lot of things, we do a lot of things. We do talented, we do movie, we do TV, we do video things, we do a lot of different things. I Jack Laguerre, say will make big things happen. I'm here in the United States, say I learned the knowledge, say I go to school here, I graduate high school, and I go to college. I graduate Nova, I've been to Nova University, I go to BCC, I go to a lot of different schools. I go to ATI, I do a lot of, say I learned a lot of things. But the fact is, to you to get to know me, I do a lot of big things, and I will make a lot of big things happen to all my affiliation. I will say I want to be the next president of Haiti. I'm too young right now. I'm 28 years old. They say you have to be 35. Stay tuned on Jack TV and you will learn more about me. Do not go away.